So Robinhood stock, which started just as a retail place for people to trade stocks, and really it got its claim to fame during the whole Dogecoin run, which was wild. Well, it just became an AI stock. It is officially entering the agentic era, and we're going to break down everything you need to know about what Robinhood is launching, why it puts them in the AI bucket now, and why I absolutely love this stock long term, especially the recent performance right now and some of their main drivers for earnings, which is crypto revenue. It's down pretty significantly right now. However, the stock has remained pretty solid because they're going in multiple verticals. One of those AI. We're going to talk all about it, break down the charts in this video as well. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Also, hit that like button for us. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is where we talk about all things stocks and specifically anything that's building in this AI vertical, anything that's building in robotics, all of these new emerging technologies. That's what we're hitting on this channel every single day. So appreciate you guys for watching. Let's jump into it. I want to take you guys inside a post on X from somebody I follow because I saw the news come out this morning. And it took me a little while to actually dive deep into this. So stay with me here because there's a lot to unpack. So Robinhood officially is entering in the agentic era. Robinhood's launching Agentic Trading and an Agentic Credit Card, which essentially is going to allow users to connect AI agents to Robinhood through MCP servers so agents can trade or make purchases on their behalf. So it says here, Agentic Trading will use a separate account, so the agent only has access to money deposited there. With push notifications, real-time activity, P&L tracking, the Agentic Credit Card lets an AI agent spend through a dedicated virtual Robinhood Gold card with user-set spending limits, optional manual approvals, expense tracking, and a 3% cash back. In an agentic world, so many financial decisions can be automated or prompted to be done in a way that can help someone legitimately trade or just make better decisions around their spending habits. Robinhood will get access to the first party data and as a result be able to then build more products on top of these that help users better engage with their AI suite. It says here, I know the stock hasn't done the best this year, but that doesn't mean execution and launching new products has to slow down. Fintech isn't in favor right now. Eventually it will be, and when it does come back, Robinhood will have spent all that time working on new products and services to accelerate their earnings growth long term. And this was Amit, who somebody I follow pretty closely over here on X, and I thought that was an unbelievable breakdown. And really what this means, for the future of investing is we're heading into an agentic world. They put it here too. Examples include buying sneakers below a set price, booking hard to get restaurant reservations, filling small business order list, or purchasing highly rated Amazon items within a budget. All of this is going to be able to be automated. The credit card agent is going to be able to scan prices, monitor availability, and make purchases automatically based on user instructions while still earning the 3% cash back. So taking a look at the stock price here, Hood, and I know we said there at the top, like the performance hasn't been great this year. Year to date, we're down 34%. But you have to remember where we came from. I mean, this run up was just insane. Like this parabolic run up, look at the weekly chart on Robinhood. When this thing started under $10, this was kind of our big momentum up, our first big trigger that something was brewing here. And you go to the trough, the peak of this, the top of this chart, went up over 1,500% from December 11, 2023 to October 2025. So not even a full 2 years here, went up over 1,500%. And so yeah, a little bit of a pullback here, but a big candle recently took us out of, from underneath 70, brought us all the way up, near like $95. And we've basically been just kind of trending sideways here at 75. to me, this has been a phenomenal time to acquire more Robinhood stock, and it's why we accumulated so heavily under $70. And we had quite a few weeks here in a row where you could accumulate this thing under 70. This is where we started to buy heavily. We did start buying a little bit at this range right here back in February, and then we loaded up in March. That end of the March big sell-off, so many good assets went on sale, Robinhood being one of them. But they are now going to become an AI player. It says here, Robinhood enables AI agents to use a virtual Robinhood Gold card for automatic purchases when users set price or condition thresholds trigger. Users can set limits and require manual approval. I mean, so many of these traditional fintech companies are going to turn on the AI agent world very, very soon. And it looks like Robinhood's going to have one of those first mover advantages. The beautiful thing about being a retail kind of first app and being adaptable, they're going to be first to all of this stuff before the Charles Schwabs, before the Fidelities. And I just absolutely love the longevity of this stock. It has so many verticals of revenue, whether we're looking at, options and retail demand, and now people are moving their retirement investment accounts over there. This AI build out, so many people have went over there to trade the AI stocks, etc. And now Robinhood is becoming an AI stock in and of itself. It's becoming part of that vertical. So super exciting. We'll continue to monitor the situation here, but I'm going to continue to say Robinhood's going to be a household name in my portfolio for a long time, and really excited about the trajectory now of this stock and becoming part of the AI trade here as well. So appreciate you all for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. Love hearing from you in the comment section. Definitely want to get this video pushed out to as many people as we can, so you can help by dropping a comment, liking the video. It really does help, and we'll see you all in the next one.